What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Snack Time with Chowtime. I'm your host, Chau. All right, chicken salad chick. Jill Pickle is a flavor. It's limited time. Go get you some while you can, because I don't know how long they're making it. It's limited time. Oh yeah, smells like it. Chicken salad with some pickle. All right, let's make some magic happen here. Boom, spoon. All right, y'all smell it, sniff it, taste it, lick it. All right, cheers. Good chicken salad flavor. Boom, crackers. You gotta try some. You gotta do the raw, and then you gotta do with some little crackers, right? There we go. Oh yeah, that works. Chicken salad with the pickle flavor. If you like pickle, this one's for you. Definitely is for me because I like pickles. Pickles. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. 8 chows for the Jill Pickle Chicken Salad Chick. Chicken chick chick chick. All right, y'all. Hopefully, I like, comment, share, subscribe, and all this good stuff. And remember, it's always your time.